Hola a todos. Hi, everybody. So as I mentioned in the overview video, this is our first time using Lingro Learning as the publisher for our textbook. Again, that was like a mandatory switch over. The previous publisher stopped publishing it. So I just want to show you how to find the ebook. And again, since this is the first time we're using this, I hope this is what it looks like for you. I put it as student view on my account, and this is what it's showing me. So hopefully it looks the same for you. If it doesn't, email me with a screenshot of what yours looks like. But if this is what hopefully everyone's will look like, you should have some dashboard and then you should see content. And then once you click on the content, it's a little bit confusing because there's all these like modules. Ignore those and just click where it says e-text. So where it says e-text, you click on that and then click e-text again, and then you should see the actual book. So like I have it on page 8 right now. On the bottom of the screen, you can see the page number. You can see, yeah, on the bottom here, you can see the page number. On the top, you might also see the page numbers, but not every page has it on there. So when you see in like our readings, if it says like, textbook page 7, then just make sure, just use this bottom thing to navigate through the pages, and you should be able to see it here. And you can play with it, make a full screen and things like that. But yeah, again, content and then e-text, and click on the e-text. I hope that's what it looks like for you. If it's not, please email me a screenshot of what it looks like for you, and we'll try to work through this together. And please be patient. Again, I apologize. It switched publishers without our wanting it to. So hopefully it looks like this and we can all get easy access to the ebook. All right, I will see you soon. Adios.